How to change flights on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can change flights on Hawaii Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to go ahead and open up the application or visit the Hawaii Airlines website. So by the time you've visited the website or you've logged in into the application, just like I have done here, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. So on this page, the next thing to do is to sign in into your Hawaii Miles account. And then how do you sign in? For the application, move to the top right corner and then you'll see the option sign in. Just click on it and then input in your password as well as your username. If you do not have an account, ensure you create one. And then once that step has been taken, the next thing that you should do is to move to the lower right, to the lower part of the screen where you can see five icons, namely home, my trips, status, book more. Just click on my trips. Then after clicking on my trips, you'll be taken to the page where you see all of your trips. Now, the reason my own page is displaying this is because I have no upcoming trips, okay, and that I have not signed in into my Hawaii Miles account. But for you, you tell all of your trips here if you have any trip available, and then if you signed in, your own page might be different, or whichever one. Once you're on this page, you will see all of your trips. Choose the specific trip you want to modify from the list of the open itineraries. All right, just choose the chip that you have, or if you want to search for your trip, just click on find my trip and then you put in the confirmation code of the trip as well as your last name. And then once you've done that, you'll be taken to the page where you'll see details about a particular trip that you would like to modify. Amongst the details that you can see there, choose the change seats option. All right, change seats. All right, that's one you should click on. After clicking on change seats, you'll be taken to that page. Now select your desired seat for each flight segment. All right, and then if you also want to change your flight, on this same page you also see the option change flight. Okay, maybe the departure time or the arrival time or whatever, just go ahead, click on change flight and then fix in another departure time, and then the flights that fit into that time would be displayed to you. Go ahead, carry out all of the changes that you need, click on save, and then just like that your flight will be changed. And then if you need to if you need to make extra payments, you would be informed. All right, and the money would be debited either using your credit card or your debit card. So this is how you can change your flight on Hawaii Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a good day.